Does your hair look like this when you detangle it unwashed it? If so, then you're probably suffering with breakage. In this video, I'm going to share with you my routine for breakage and what you should be doing during your wash day and styling practices to reduce breakage and get your hair back to health. Hey Kellys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kiki, and if you are new here, I do all things curly hair tips, product reviews and styling. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the best practices what you should be doing on a wash day if you have breakage or damaged hair. So let's get into it.
The number one thing you want to do before you apply shampoo is a Prepoo treatment at the start. Make sure you wet your hair before sectioning because this will ensure that your hair does not break when you separate the sections and begin detangling. I always try to work in 4 sections for pre-pooing. Today I'm going in with a Cal Smith Super Slip Prebiotic Primer. You don't need to use this specific one, but make sure whatever pre-poo treatment you use has a really good slip to allow you to detangle efficiently. I apply this to the roots, length and ends of my hair and use my fingers to detangle as I go. Finger detangling is something that you want to do over using any brushes or combs because it will be the least damaging for your hair when you're detangling. Make sure you're being gentle and just gently tugging and separating the hair. Now this is all done, I'm going to hop into the shower. I start by rinsing off the pre-pooing sections and then going in with the Innocent Hydrating Cream Hair Bath. You will need to make sure your shampoo is nice and creamy and moisturising and doesn't dry your hair out too much because this will contribute to any dryness or breakage that you might already have. I'm using my Tangle Teaser scalp scrubber to make sure that my scalp gets nice and clean and at the same time holding the bottom of my hair so that it doesn't tangle up again. I repeat this all around my head, just gently unravelling the sections and twisting them back after I've finished. The most important thing during this wash day for breakage is that you do not over manipulate your hair and you keep it in twists for as long as possible. Today for my deep conditioner is the Originals Hair Mayonnaise. This is a treatment for weak and damaged hair, so it's an excellent choice for breakage. I haven't used this one in such a long time, if at all, but I actually really enjoyed using it. It does contain some silicone, so if you are low porosity and your hair gets built up very easily, then I would maybe just take care when using this one and maybe opt for a different one that doesn't have any silicone in it. But for those of you who do have really weak or broken hair, silicone is going to be a good ingredient to add into your hair care regimen because it will give you that little bit more strength that your hair needs. This is the hair that I lost during my detangling process, and I'm just putting my hair into my heat cap before letting it sit. I finish off this wash day by just steaming my hair with my facial steamer to make sure that the treatment gets nice and deep into the hair shaft. Here is what my hair looks like after rinsing out the mayonnaise treatment. It was lovely and soft and shiny and my curls were popping. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you're interested in seeing any of my other hair care routines, click the thumbnail on screen and I will see you next time.